I'm Diego Sanchez, COO of HW Media, and this is 10-Minute Talks. My guest today is Kate Amor, SVP of Enterprise Products at Guaranteed Rate. Kate, welcome to 10-Minute Talks.
Hey, Diego.
Before we dive in, could you give a quick 60-second intro of yourself and Guaranteed Rate?
Yeah, absolutely. So I am a 15-year industry veteran, and sometimes I like to think I have mortgage tattooed on me somewhere. And I lead the financial product strategy and development for Guaranteed Rate. And Guaranteed Rate is the second largest mortgage retailer, according to Scotsman. And we've also revolutionized the mortgage industry with the launch of our first ever digital mortgage in 2015. And we're continuing that innovation with same-day mortgage, delivering clear to closes in 24 hours or less.
Same-day mortgage. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Absolutely. So we really look to differentiate ourselves with amazing service to our realtor partners and different referral partners. So we're offering that for our Fannie and Freddie product lines, and we are able to support that for purchases and for refinances. And it's really an amazing opportunity for anyone out there looking to get that satisfaction and be able to get those transactions done quickly.
Yeah, that's amazing turnaround times. You've had a long career in mortgage. You mentioned the potential tattoo that might be somewhere, and it's been at several lenders. What attracted you to this particular role at Guaranteed Rate?
Absolutely. So I really think Guaranteed Rate is one of the best kept secrets in our industry and really well positioned for current market conditions. We have a culture of product excellence, which is really something I was looking for when making that leap. And we have over 150 products today, and a commitment to affordability with like national down payment assistance programs. We even have our own proprietary first home product, which is a first time home buyer program, and over 75 state HFA programs and 550 unique affordability programs under that. So we have a really deep bench of product offerings. And then on top of it, we have top-notch capital markets expertise, including a securitization shelf, which I think is so important from a product perspective. If I can dream it, if I can think of it, I have a capital markets team who can execute on that strategy. And then Victor's passion for technological disruption really inspired me. So when you find that intersection of technology, product, and such an amazing leadership team, it was a no-brainer.
I love that. And are some of these products that you're building, like the capital markets products, are they available to the ecosystem beyond Guaranteed Rate, or is that just for your branch managers and LOs?
So we actually pride ourselves in partnering with everyone from Wall Street to Main Street America in terms of financing abilities. So if there are buyers out there that are interested and maybe don't have exposure to buying mortgages through a correspondent channel or things like that, we are able to support them with our proprietary technology platforms. And I think that is a real game changer and differentiator for us because we make it easy for people to say yes to Guaranteed Rate on the investor side.
And you're a frequent speaker at live and virtual industry events. I've moderated you on a couple of virtual and live panels. Why do you set aside so much time to be a thought leader in the industry?
Well, I'm really passionate about products and ideas that support meaningful and sustainable access to housing. I think that, in our industry, we have a real opportunity to make a difference in the lives of people. People need housing, and we provide that, right? We really give people that idea of home. And I think that we can make a difference in so many people's lives. And I really love this industry. So I really enjoy participating and being part of that.
That's so cool. And you've been really fast and furious since joining Guaranteed Rate in rolling out some new products and initiatives. You talked a little bit about some of them, but I'd love for you to expand on all the stuff that you're working on.
Yeah, so I'm going to tell you, since I took over the team a couple months ago, we've already released 26 products and programs.
Wow.
So we have been super busy. And I want to talk about, that's really busy. And we're actually just getting started. So super exciting. I'm going to talk about my favorite three. So obviously I love same day mortgage because I'm really thinking about ways in which we can expand that to additional products. We've already closed 1.7 billion in that. So it is certainly something we're seeing a great deal of success on, and really talks to our commitment for fast, efficient, and cutting edge technology. And I can only see like the sky is the limit there. We also have 100% digital HELOC. So applications in 5 minutes, access to funds in 5 days. Like that's really a statement and a testament to where we want to and where we're thinking about going. And then our most recent addition, which is a personal favorite of mine, is reverse mortgages. So yeah, I'm such a fan of reverse, and I'm excited that I keep getting to work on this product with each iteration. So I think a lot of us know right now that it's a great time to learn about products. Absolutely a great time. And there's an increasing number of borrowers reaching retirement age every day, right? And they've built up all this equity that we can tap into. I think by the latest Black Knight study I was looking at, it was 3.4 trillion with a T, tappable equity out there, right? And people as young as 55 can qualify for a reverse mortgage, which really just means you don't have to make a payment. You can get the home of your dreams with as little as 40% down, loan amounts up to $4 million, and you too can have your penthouse suite in Hawaii is the one I'm going for. That's where I want to be.
It's such an amazing mortgage product and so underutilized. And one of the reasons that we bought Reverse Mortgage Daily a year and a half ago is just for the opportunity that you described. It's the opportunity to really address the whole customer life cycle with mortgage products. So I love to hear about that.
Completely. And I think a lot of people forget that like it's not just a refinance product.
Right.
It's not just for someone who's already living there, which is a great option for that, but you can legitimately go buy a house and not make a payment for the remainder of your life, other than paying your taxes and insurance. And that's an amazing value proposition, in my opinion.
It really is. So Guaranteed Rate has several billion-dollar LOs like Champagnozian and Ben Cohen, among others. How do you, as the product leader at the company, support these highly productive kind of superstar LOs inside of Guaranteed Rate?
Yeah, so we have a really strong sales culture and view our sales force as the CEOs of their business. So it is no surprise that we are home to the most top originators for the past 11 years. And that, it's my firm belief that, and maybe not all product people would agree with this could be a little of a bit of a debate amongst us product folk, but I really think there's 3 customers in every transaction. Okay. And especially in mortgage and even more so in retail, right? A lot of people are focused on the customer. That's no surprise, but I would debate and argue that there is the customer, there is your referral source, and that can be sales. That is your salesperson, your loan officer, or it's a realtor partner, right? Or even like a private wealth manager who's sending you those deals. And then there is the investor, especially at an IMB, right? Because we need that vital liquidity coming into our industry. So I think the best products solve real life problems for those 3 sections. And in order to really understand what the customer needs at times from a qualifications perspective, because most of them aren't familiar enough with a loan product to really be able to speak to why they got turned down per se. But to really understand that from the LO's perspective, I think is key. So I spend a lot of time talking to our best LOs who've really taken the time to learn our products, to understand real life problems that they're having, because I think that that is the most amazing way to generate ideation and give us like great ideas to go and try to solve and turn into the next innovation.
That's amazing. We are in a difficult phase in the housing market right now, but housing is very cyclical, and we know that the next boom is somewhere right around the corner. So how are you and the rest of the executive team at Guaranteed Rate preparing for that next hot market?
Totally. So there's 3 things we're really focused on right now. Our customers, our people, and our products. From a customer perspective, we're really looking to expand our best-in-class customer experience. We want to continue to deliver through our proprietary tech platforms. And then, of course, our people. So really empowering our LOs to continue to differentiate themselves in marketplace with best-in-class service and products. And so that brings me to the last piece, products. So we are absolutely investing in our financial product infrastructure so that we can really next level our product game and have like one of the most diverse and ready to pivot product suites out there in the market. So you're going to see some pretty amazing things coming out of Guaranteed Rate here throughout the rest of the year.
Well, I'd love to hear that because it's not a common story at other lenders that particularly investing in product and expanding the product portfolio. So how are you and Guaranteed Rate doing that when others aren't able to right now?
Well, I would really say it's a testament to the executive team has been just so responsible fiscally. And we've really been able to dial it in and see product as a profit center that empowers our loan officers to really differentiate themselves and be best in class. And we're willing to invest in that and put the time and effort into making sure that we are able to deliver on that.
Kate, this is a fantastic conversation. I really appreciate you taking the time today.
Thank you.